Good morning, guys. We packed on everything and we got out of there before 10 a.m. So it's approximately 10 a.m. and I'm over here delivering all the bottles from the trip. The others, they're going to the water park. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be able to go to the water park or if my backpack is too big or whatnot. Let's see. Let's deliver these first. Man, the wind is crazy. I went over here going less than 10 kilometers an hour because the winds, dude, they're just like 40 kilometer an hour winds, man. It's crazy. Guys, I couldn't record us getting on the bus from Lalandia. It was a mess. We were walking out on the country road at the wrong place, but we got the bus to stop and we all got in there, and the others paid for me and Dion's ticket, so it was no problem. We're in Ringkøbing now. This is the place that I drove 10 kilometers to get to Lalandia, so we haven't really gone that far. But I found shelter here at this gaming establishment. So yeah, we're just taking shelter in there. And we have to wait here for an hour and a half for the next bus. So yeah. This is what it looks like. We were just over there, but it's too windy, so I drove around and I found this place right here. Me and Dion are going to the bakery close by. I'm on the electric unicycle to avoid my shoes getting wet because my right shoe has a huge tear underneath it. So yeah, I'm just and also I don't want to leave this thing. I love it. I just want to be on it at all times. Oh, but it's so windy, it's so cold, man. I want to get out of Denmark when it's like this. I'm so tired, I keep forgetting to film. Me and Dion were in here. He got one of these. There's so many delicious stuff here. Check it out. This is kind of my favorite right here. Tebirkes. Look at this price. It's nice. It's kind of different from the other Danish baked goods you've tried, huh?
I mean, this is dessert, but
Here, I'll get you a napkin. There's some delicious stuff in here, but honestly, man, when I'm traveling, I don't really want to eat. I just want to smoke cigarettes, maybe drink some soda. That's about it. I just want to get it over with. So yeah, I'm just watching him eat. We're back to the shelter. Let's go. Team Atlanta Gaming House. Thank you, guys. All right, we're leaving our shelter. Let's go. We all made it on the bus, and we even avoided paying for a shit ton of tickets. We only bought a ticket for Dion just so he doesn't get into any issues with the police being a foreigner. But yeah, the rest of us are riding free, man. Let's go. These guys are pretty tired, catching some seas. Come on, Wessel. Have a seat. Another hour of transport. We're going to be in this train for an hour, and then in another train for I think an hour as well, and then in another train for like 12 minutes. All the loud and drunk people left for the other cart. Well, they went into the other cart. I'm trying to fix this fender. It fell off, and I've been reapplying this screw, but it's getting too close to the wheel, to the tire. So I've got to remove it again using my multi-tool and reapply it. Let's go. The journey's almost over. We just got on another train in Odense, and it's the final one to get to Nyborg. Oh, what an exhausting journey it's been. Just look at all this. And I didn't quite fix the fender. I think I'm gonna, I don't know. I'm gonna look at it when I get home. I gotta go ahead and withdraw money immediately when I get back, basically, for Mike. I want to put down my things, so I'm sure I'll be fine. It's kind of frustrating being around loud and drunk people, though, I gotta admit. I just kind of put my headset on and just let them be noisy and disrespectful towards the public peace, and then I'm just an upstanding citizen. Me and Dion went and ate a pizza. Pretty fucking good pizza at that. I just keep forgetting to record. I'm just in the bathroom about to take a shower. Just been exhausted today, so excuse me if I haven't shown you everything. I guess I'm tired too. I only slept for 2 hours. I'm forgetful right now. This thing is annoying me. I'm gonna call my eye doctor soon.